Hey, what's up, everybody? Denny with Denny's Country Life here. Gonna make a short video today about fixing a sticky loader joystick on a new Holland Workmaster 75. So this is a 2021 model with 400 and I don't know 60 something hours on it. I bought it new, and it's been a really good tractor with very few exceptions that the dealership took care of, but all in all, love this tractor. So I was really loving it until the loader joystick started sticking, and it kind of progressively got worse. And it seemed to mostly do it when it was really hot out, and so I was assuming that it had something to do with my spools or the viscosity of the hydraulic fluid. Anyway, I bought all new filters. I haven't changed those filters out yet, but before I did anything, I wanted to just take a look at the mechanical side of things, and these are extra simple. So what we have is, we're gonna zoom in here. So here is your pivot knuckle, I guess you'd call it. I don't know, maybe a equipment technician could chime in on that. But anyway, I started just by shooting some penetrating lubricant down in the movie areas, and it seemed to help, but not quite. It didn't solve the problem. So what was happening? So you can see I have the third function up here. Mine's hooked up. I use it all the time, and things would start to get really bad with this because you're using part of your regular hydraulic function with a diverter valve to do your third function. And when I was moving bales, this being sticky as it was, every once in a while I'd drop a bale or something like, it'd start to slip or whatever. So it just got terribly frustrating. And the weight here is kind of offset to one side, and so that didn't help. I got it to snap back going this way, but not this way. So I took it one step further, and just being a curious person, so what I did was I loosened up that nylock nut, and then you can see that this pin has flats on both sides of it. So I put a crescent wrench on that, and I turned it counterclockwise about maybe an eighth of a turn, and it just freed right up. Tighten the nylock back up. Hopefully that totally solves the problem. If any of you can think of a reason that that would be bad, let me know. I can't think of a reason. It looks like a really simple mechanism. Anyway, so I'm gonna try it out, but this is the only thing that I could find that would remedy that problem. So anyway, thanks a lot for watching, guys. I hope all is well for you. Take good care, and we'll catch you on the next video.